All right, whoever said I was addicted was right, and I have just received another diamond painting kit. This time I ordered from Amazon. It took a while to get here, and this one is mixed drills. So I've never done this before. It has some rhinestones and some different shapes, so I'm going to get it kitted up. It looks like there are 18 colors, so I will prepare 18 of these. So these are more like rhinestone, right, than drills. They're more plastic rhinestones. This one is a partial drill. It does not have full coverage. Start with number 1. So these also don't have DMC colors. I already saw one that fell off. So I'm going to kit them all up that way. A couple that are mixed, but that's okay. Let's do number 2. It's a really pretty red. I think this one's going to be super pretty to hang in my office. I guess that's the new problem is what do I do with all these diamond paintings? They go pretty fast. So I think I need to start doing maybe some larger ones that take longer time. Two. So I think you'll get the idea of how I kit this up. I do want to look at this canvas just a little bit longer. I feel like the partial drill just needs so much more precision because you have to really place, like number 16, right? It has this symbol. It has to be placed pretty exactly because there's not going to be anything next to it to cover that space. So, pretty excited about this one. How's everyone else doing with their little self-inflicted or government-inflicted, depending on where you are, lockdowns? My kids are out of daycare. I'm working in the evenings through the night a little bit. My husband works during the day. Right now my daughter is watching sight words on YouTube. She's 3. After she watches them on YouTube, we put them up on her word wall. And right now she can recognize, I think maybe 15 or so words on the word wall. Every day I reorganize them and put them in a new order, and I ask her to tell me the ones she knows. So I'm not letting her memorize the order of them. She's trying to actually work on sight words. So that's fun. I had a teaching certificate when I finished college, but my teaching was grades 4 through 9 and not early childhood. I did a little bit of observation in kindergarten, so kind of learned some songs and routines. We try to start the day with calendar and days of the week. We're working on numbers. She can count pretty reliably to 30, and then she starts skipping and forgetting what comes next. I'm not sure if you can hear him on the floor. I also have a baby who turns 1 next month. So try to keep him busy, occupied, have lots of new textures. What do you need, sweetheart? You just want something? I don't know if anyone else with kids has noticed that they eat nonstop. We've already had 2 apples and 2 oranges today. I always just try to put off how long it is until I need to give her more food, because she could go non-stop eating all day long. But I might have to end this video here because I'm hearing the I want something, I want something. So I guess I need to go figure out what something is going to be this time. I'll get this all kitted back up, and maybe we'll do some in progress video. I keep wanting to show the diamond painting, but I have a really hard time. I really like the diamond painting because I just do them 1 or 2 minutes at a time, which makes it hard to film a video. And I do that 1 or 2 minutes at a time because of that little monster over there who wants something that I now need to go figure out how to feed. And that's what I like about the diamond painting, is it doesn't require a lot of setup. It doesn't require me to sit and do it for hours for it to work well. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.